My sister-in-law falsely accused me of trying to be with her. I didn't defend myself, just walked away. 2 days later, she called me sobbing, "Please save me. My life is getting destroyed." 2 weeks ago, I found myself in the middle of a nightmare I never imagined possible. My sister-in-law, Hannah, accused me of trying to have an affair with her. It sounds absurd even as I type it. I've been married to my wife, Leah, for 6 years. We're not perfect, but we've always been honest and loyal to each other. Hannah is Leah's younger sister, loud, dramatic, and always craving attention. She used to flirt harmlessly with people, including me, and I never thought much of it. I'd laugh it off, keep my distance, and move on. But lately, something had changed. She started texting me weird things late at night. "You're different. Leah doesn't appreciate what she has." And once, "If things were different, I'd choose you." I ignored them all. I didn't even tell Leah because I didn't want to start drama in the family. That was my first mistake. One Friday, Hannah came over to help Leah prepare for a small family dinner. I was outside fixing the garden lights. When I came back in, she was crying, screaming, actually telling Leah that I tried to touch her when she walked past me in the kitchen. Leah froze. Her parents were there too. Everyone looked at me like I was some kind of monster. I didn't even get the chance to explain. Hannah kept crying, shaking, acting terrified. She ran out of the house while Leah stood there trembling. Her dad started yelling at me. Her mom told me to leave before they called the police. And so I left. That night, Leah wouldn't answer my calls. I sent her messages trying to explain, but she didn't respond. I barely slept, my mind replaying the scene over and over. I hadn't done anything, but how do you prove that? The next day, I went through my phone. I still had all of Hannah's late night texts. I decided to go to the police. I didn't want revenge. I just wanted the truth to come out before my marriage, and my name was completely destroyed. The officers were surprisingly understanding. They took my statement and asked for the messages. I gave them everything: texts, call logs, timestamps. 2 weeks passed. Leah still didn't speak to me. Her parents had blocked my number. I stayed at a friend's apartment. Then yesterday, I got a call from an unknown number. It was Hannah. She was sobbing uncontrollably. "Please," she said between breaths, "I need your help. My life is destroyed." I didn't say anything for a moment. She kept talking, rambling about how the police had questioned her, how they'd found inconsistencies in her story, how her boyfriend had dumped her when he found out she'd lied, and how her parents were furious with her for dragging the family into this mess. Apparently, the officers had confronted her with my evidence, the messages, the timeline. They'd also found out she deleted some of her own texts where she tried to flirt with me. That made things even worse for her. She said she wanted to apologize, that she never meant for it to go this far. Then she dropped the bombshell. The officers had told her the district attorney was adding a defamation and false reporting charge. Not only was she facing criminal penalties, but because of the damage she caused, public accusations, social media rumors, and legal costs. I was now filing a civil suit for defamation and emotional distress. If she lost, she'd owe compensation for damages and legal fees, possibly tens of thousands of dollars. She was terrified. She begged, "Please, can you talk to the police? Or your lawyer? I'll say I lied, just don't make me pay. I can't afford this." Her voice was shaking. I stayed quiet for a moment. Then I said, "Do you have any idea what you almost did to me?" She just cried harder. I told her calmly, "I'm not ruining your life. You did that yourself. I just told the truth." And then I hung up.